Hi, my name is Claudia Estrada. I'm a senior at California Baptist University Online, and this is my introduction for politic, political, 485 Constitutional Law 2. So I decided to share this picture just because it's one of my favorite, most emotional pictures, and I like it. I love it, love it. Um, So the first top one is me and my dad, middle one is me and my mom, and the last one is me and my fiance from when I graduated from Riverside City College with my associates. So yeah, I just thought I'd share this picture because it means a lot to me. The next slide is about my parents. So, fun fact about me is that I am an only child. I'm currently 23 years old, and I enjoy being an only child. I didn't when I was younger. It sucked. Because I had no one to go to, no one to share that bond with. But as I started getting older, I accepted it because it wasn't in God's plans. And now that I'm older, my mom became my best friend, so the want of having a sibling it's not that it's not there, but it's just, I've accepted it. So, I really enjoy, I'm able to tell her now that I've matured and a lot more than when you're 16 and you think your mom and your dad are like against you for everything. You actually realize that they want the best for you, and she really became my best friend to the point where I can express or say anything to her. And she's always like, they're always going to be there for me. So my parents came to this country before having me, and they met actually here when they were really young, their early 20s. And they've been working ever since here. And finally, they had their residency for 15 plus years. And I'm really happy that they've been able to conquer so much and, have their own home and everything because they've worked very, very, very hard for it. They're my main motivation to want to pursue a career, better myself, and show them that everything that they've done here and the hard working, the long hours is not going to go in vain. I wouldn't be half the person I am without them. They've always, regardless of me being an only child, they've always still showed me to earn my own things, work for my own things, appreciate what I have, and understand when we can't have. So I've been really blessed, and I can't say more than that. They're the best parents that I could have ever asked for. I'm super attached to them. They're my best friends, and these are probably just some of my pictures of many that I have, but some that I wanted to share that are kind of my favorite. But yeah. So on to the next slide is my fiance, which is someone else that plays a huge role in my life. We've been together for 5 years. We met in high school, but we never dated. We dated after high school. Actually, as soon as I graduated, he started talking to me, slid through my DMs, I guess you could say, started dating, and here we are, engaged 5 years later. We'll be getting married in March of the following year. We're super excited. It's been super stressful to work full-time, go to school full-time, and plan a wedding, especially a destination wedding. But it's been really worth it. And like I said, I have the support system. And even though it can get really stressful at times, it's been really worth it. So he's my best friend. I do everything with him, and I love that he has such a great relationship with my parents. But yeah, he's my best friend. We have a dog together. We don't have kids, but we have a dog. We hope to have kids one day, but as of right now, we just want to finish school and stuff. He is gonna be 26 years old. Some of these pictures, so that's our save the date that we gave out. The other picture to the right on the top is the first picture that we ever took when we started dating. And then the second row, first picture, on the left, that's actually now that we went to go do reservations in Mexico for our haul and all that. Those were some pictures we took out there. And then the last one is where we're petting ooh, I just forgot how to say it in English. A stingray, sorry, stingray. That was in Cancun. Super awesome trip. Very beautiful, beautiful place. We've been to, we've traveled quite a lot. We've been to a couple of places. One of them was Cancun, and it's been so far our favorite. But yes, all of them have been in Mexico though. I'm hoping maybe we can try Europe now. But yes, he's my best friend, and he's my inspiration to finish my career as well. So we can start a family and give the best we can and travel and give the best we can to our kids. So I'm going to move on to the next slide. Music. I absolutely am obsessed with Taylor Swift. Super obsessed. So I ended up, my fiance actually he bought me a ticket to the Reputation tour and gave it to me last Christmas. And I didn't even want to post a video because it's like so embarrassing. I just started crying because I was just so excited. It was my first concert, but I've always been obsessed with her. And now her new album came out, and I'm obviously obsessed with it. But I thought I shared that because I'm like, it plays a huge role in my life. I absolutely love the lyrics of her music, and I really enjoy listening to her. And not really just because of who she is or anything like that, just because her music, I can relate to it a lot. And Lover, actually, the song Lover on the Lover album is going to be our song for our wedding. We chose it actually together, and I just love the music she writes. But yeah, so that's my introduction. I hope you enjoyed it, and I apologize if it's a little long. I can talk a lot. Thank you.